Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw Sonic.
Let's start drawing.
At first I'm going to draw his nose. And his mouth. Then I draw his eyes, like this. Really good. And the shape of his head. Then I draw his ears. And his body. He is holding his hand like this. Good job!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
I color this part around his mouth with cream. And I use the same marker for the middle of his belly too. And also for his inner ears. Then I color his furry skin blue. He is wearing white gloves, so I leave it alone. Awesome!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.